Now he's on.
Oh, alarm. Sorry, Mama. Let me turn it off. Sounds like a rooster. His voice. Good morning, mamita chula preciosa.
Good morning, Gillo lindo.
How are you?
Good.
Okay. Because my mom's phone is set the alarm. Sounds like a rooster. Because my mom put that alarm with her phone with that sounds like a rooster to me. Well, because this is a beautiful day. Today is Sunday. Because I just love weather so much. Because that's why um uh because she loves clean, she loves everything. And because that's why my brother Fabian, he just wake me up. Wow. Because and that's why I really hate I was woke up after afternoon. Is 11 o'clock. Oh my gosh, I don't like I just wake up with afternoon. And it's too hard for me. It's because I need wake up at 8 o'clock, not 11. Because that's why because I love morning and afternoon. No, no way, Jose. You know what? This is Luis Vasquez, aka the Silverman. Ciao, ciao.